So what do we got going on here?
All right, what we got here, step into it, you can see it too, sir.
We got a visitor.
We got an oil filter wrench here. The new and improved oil filter wrench. The last set of oil filter wrenches you'll ever have to buy. Got a lifetime guarantee on these things. Anything happens, a break, you call us up, you send it back, we send you a new one. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna tighten up our oil filter. You're a big guy. Yeah, put your stuff down. Okay. Get in here. Tighten that sucker up. Yeah, get in there. Tighten it up.
You got pretty damn tight.
It's pretty damn tight, right? Well, look, let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn my tool around. I'm gonna get in here, and I'm really gonna wail on this thing, right? Now that's super tight. Now with this tool,
never see that on a car. Never.
Of course not.
It's not tight.
Oh no, you got to put a screwdriver through and hit it, and then you hope it breaks.
You know what? I got another story for that when we're done here with this show.
Oh yeah.
Let me tell you about that story. Now this tool, all we're doing is squeezing the fingers, like Spider-Man, doing the little Spider-Man gig. Because if you spin this does nothing. This is doing all the magic right here. Now you put this in here, as much as we wail on it, if you blink, you're gonna miss it. Ready? Don't blink. Loosen it up.
How the hell does that work?
It's a spring-loaded prop.
It's not a spring-loaded prop. All the spring does is bring it back out. That's all the spring doing is bring it.
So what pops it then?
It's this, the teeth. All the power is on
so
the
it knocks
teeth.
it loose, doesn't it?
Yeah, so it just knocks it loose. It grabs each and every tooth that is on here and it's putting pressure on each one.
Okay.
And no more pulling, twisting, trying to knock it up.
That's the problem is you get limited places where you can't move.
Limited places where you can't move. No matter how tight we put it on here. Put it on here like that, and like I said, you blink and you'll miss it because it's just
that's amazing.
That fast.
And it's cool because it releases, once the teeth come off, it kind of comes off.
It lets go of it, it doesn't get stuck on it, exactly.
It doesn't get stuck.
I thought I had the best one by the one that it's got the teeth on it that grabs the bottom and it goes on it.
Yeah.
That thing works great. But similar to that.
Similar to that.
Except our model is a lot more expensive because the snap-on on it.
We have these ones, you know, these ones are pretty cool for the big ones, but it bends the hell out of them.
Right,
these
and that's the problem.
Bends the hell out of everything. This one, don't even get me started on this thing. If there was nobody behind me, I'd like
a strap wrench.
This is more for the bedroom, you know.
Oh, it's terrible.
But these,
how much?
We retail one for $40. During the SEMA show, we're going $20. Each? Each. Retail for the set of 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and my big one over here, my big bad boy over here, for the Cummins, the 350 big block. All 5 of these, $75.
So, let's say for Hellcats, Mustangs, that kind of stuff. Which one would be my universal one to go to?
Well, they're not necessarily universal. Everybody has their own. Once you find the right one, you have it. Look up the right partner. Like I said, this is the automotive industry. This is what we're here for. One of these to take care of all those. You know, we take care of semi-trucks, tractors, earth movers. We make them as big as we need them. And we can take care of it, and they all come off just as easy. You know, the ones that you got to go over it. You know,
then you got to get a ratchet in.
You got to get a ratchet. You know, in the old school cars, it was easier. You can do that.
I've got an elbow.
Exactly. You can get in there with anything.
Exactly. But now these new cars.
And
the problem is with a lot of use.
So what? You want the JM3 facing you. Okay. You want to use your thumb here for leverage. But right now it's new for people. People don't they want to squeeze everything.
Right.
So what we do is we kind of put their finger back here so they can't squeeze everything. So what you want to do is put your thumb back. Put your thumb back here. Yeah, and then squeeze your fingers. That's it, you're done. I like that look. I like that look. That was the look of amazement. Simple.
That's easy. $1 million idea there, buddy.
Right? I like that. You hear what he said? $1 million idea. Because it is.
Because that a testing from a mechanic.
Right?
And we do shit on McLarens,
everything else.
McLarens, Lambos.
Yeah, we had a couple Ferrari guys come in here and said they want the Ferrari red. So we're gonna give them the Ferrari red. They want the Ferrari emblem in the back.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, and we can do that. You know, we got our name on here. This is a personal one my boss made for me for coming and helping them out. You know, I'm a big time Raider fan. Look at the details on that.
That's awesome.
Look at the detail.
Did you see the stadium?
Yeah,
Gorgeous stadium.
it's gorgeous stadium. Look at the detail. You got my name on it, so my buddies can't steal it. When my buddies try to steal it, guess what, dude? It has my name on it.
Now, can you do a show price if I order them from you, or do you got to get them today?
Better to get them today, but if you say you've seen us at the SEMA show.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for showing me that.
How's it going? Let me get you over to the owner and vendor. Right?
They didn't want to. Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, big media guy. He's gonna make you famous.
Look at this guy right here. Drip.
He took a big demonstration.
We're drifting on the JM3 oil filter. Yep.
I like it. I like it. All right, guys.
Awesome.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.